Oster 18-quart roaster oven. Saves 30% more time. Has a self-basting lid with a viewing window. You can put up to a 22-pound turkey in this incredible piece of kitchen equipment. And as you can see, this is a complete set. It's got the lid, it's got the roasting tray, got the insert, you got your main power system, self-basting with LED with lid for viewing, self-basting lid with viewing window, steel roasting rack, 18-quart removable roasting pan, handles with lid rest. Wow, that's interesting. Variable temperature control and power indicator light. Fantastic piece of must-have kitchen equipment. So she's out of her box, and this is the lid, which is upside down in the box. So I can pull it up here. There it is. There's your lid. Nice, with a window here. And here is the rest of the machine. Here's the rest of the machine. Got a grill plate here, standoff plate, and electrical, and that's it. And then up front, you can see where it's inserted, but up front it has the different control settings, and that's what you want. It's a beautiful set. Oster 18-quart